Today, I'll show you how to set up the 1.1.1.1 DNS server on Windows 10. The 1.1.1.1 DNS server is Cloudflare's public DNS service. It can help your computer find websites quickly and may improve privacy compared to using your default internet provider DNS. First, click the Start button, then open Settings. From the Settings window, select Network and Internet. Now choose the connection you are using. If you are connected through Wi-Fi, click Wi-Fi, then choose Change Adapter options. If you are using a cable connection, click Ethernet, then choose Change Adapter options. A new window will open showing your network adapters. Right-click your active connection, then click Properties. Now select Internet Protocol version 4, also called TCP/IPv4. Click Properties. In the new window, use the following DNS server addresses. In the preferred DNS server field, enter 1.1.1.1. In the alternate DNS server field, enter 1.0.0.1. These are Cloudflare's main IPv4 DNS addresses. Now click OK, then click Close to save the network settings. To make sure the new DNS settings apply correctly, disconnect and reconnect your internet connection or restart your computer. After that, open your browser and visit any website to test your connection. If websites load normally, the 1.1.1.1 DNS server is working on your Windows 10 computer. And that's it. You've successfully set up the 1.1.1.1 DNS server on Windows 10. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.